One of my team asked me to perhaps just do a quick run through of what's involved in one of these drill bit kits, because I always assume that people know all these things, but apparently we don't. So just going to try and explain a few bits that are included in this little kit. It's got 70 pieces. Comes in a nice robust kit with nice little locky handles. Just undo those, and then you can see better what is inside, hopefully. So turn it around a bit and see whether you can home in on that top bit first of all. So in here there's a clever little bit here which has got all the drill bits in, and those that pulls out so it sits nice and upright, which is quite handy. So then you can see all the different drills that you've got. And these drills here, which are silver in this instance, are the masonry drills, and they've got this unusual sort of head where it looks as if it's just sort of pointy, but then it just sticks out a little bit to the side. So those are the masonry drill bits for drilling into brick and concrete, and these in the middle here are the titanium drill bits, which are for drilling into metal principally, although I do sometimes use these smaller ones for pre-drilling holes in wood to stop the wood splitting. And these here with the sharp pointy end there are the wood drill bits. Let me pop those back away again. Conveniently it's got all the sizes here on this little, so that's all quite handy. So we'll go back down in there. In the back here there's a useful little bit of plastic, which is, I don't know if you can see it on the video just about, but it's a size guide for screws or drill bits, so all the different sizes are on there. Then down this side there's little screwdriver bits from crosshead to posi drive, and then on the other side you've got Phillips. Those are all Phillips screwdriver heads on that side there. And then in this other half you've got a useful, there you go, you've got a little row of sockets there with a little adapter piece there, useful little ruler there. This is the adapter bit that goes into your drill, which once you've got that in your drill, then you can just change any number of these. All these bits will then fit into this adapter, so it saves you having to keep on changing the head on the screwdriver drill. And you just pop them in, pull them out and pop them in again. And here we've got these star heads, and which are used more for like security screws. Where have we gone? Gotta go up a bit, sorry. Working back to front on the camera. So here we've got these star head screws, screw bits, bolt bits, which are good more for security screws. This is a countersink for just recessing the heads of your screws into the hole so as you can lose them and then maybe fill them with filler. And these three gold ones here are what I call flat head bits. There's a 22, a 32mm and a 16mm, and those are for cutting bigger holes in wood.